Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create fun video avatars from your facial expression and voices. Now, in order to do it, you don't even need any third-party application or software. Just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, here I have to search for 3dthis.com. You can see the right username over there. Just simply go to this, and here you have to hit this option which says avatar. Once you do that, just wait for the website to get load. Here, you can choose any of the avatar. For example, if I select this avatar, and now it will ask for the permissions of your camera. Just simply hit start camera, and once I do that, you can see the avatar is behaving like my face. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.